friends, we're in the third installment of our Americana 4th of July celebration video series. And for this one, we're going to actually use a cookbook that Mitch picked up at the library book sale, if you saw my library book haul video. And we got an excellent price for this, and it was well worth it. The recipes in here look fantastic. So we decided to go with the all-American burger that they used from a recipe they had from the 1940s. So we're going absolutely full classic on this episode. But first, we're gonna get a few things prepared in here, and then we're gonna go outside and take it to the grill. So let's get started.
Pause here to write down what you'll need to follow along. So for the steak sauce, you're going to put all the ingredients together into one saucepan. In the recipe, the steak sauce and hot pepper sauce is not specified, so I just used A1 and sriracha because that's what I had on hand. But feel free to change it up or use what you've got already. And yes, I did just eyeball all of these ingredients, and if you're comfortable with that, I say go for it. But if you like being more exact, the recipe card has all the measurements listed on there. And while the sauce was simmering, I went ahead and got the meat ready. All it calls for is salt and pepper, so I just used my hands to make sure it was all incorporated and made it into 4 patties. As for grilling, nothing could be simpler. We just put them on a prepared grill and periodically brushed them with the sauce. We also went ahead and roasted our corn. I used this opportunity to set our table. And every so often, including after he flipped them, Mitch went ahead and reapplied the sauce. We went ahead and used up the entire amount of sauce just for a more intense flavor.
Whoa. Oh, that looks awesome. Listen to that sizzle. All right, so we've got our corn. That looks really good and roasted. All we need to do is toast our buns. And over here, I have our table set up. So over here, we have kind of just a very simple all-American setup. Got our salt and pepper, our butter, which we're gonna use that for our corn. We're gonna keep that very simple too. We've got our watermelon. This is cucumbers I turned into cucumber salad from our garden. I've got our plate for dressing our hamburgers. So you can see we've got everything we need for that. And over here, we also made our potato salad. And that's it. According to the book, that is how you dress a 1940s hamburger, with just very simple sides like potato salad and corn and our plate of fixings.
Okay, so we're really excited. We got this done. You may have to forgive the sound quality a little bit. I've got my lavalier microphone on, but we do live sort of close to a busy road, so there could be a truck or a tractor. Who knows? It's the country. Yeah,
diesel truck. Yeah.
Things happen. But we're gonna go ahead and sink our teeth into this. Wow. It's messy and it's juicy, but it's worth it.
That is really good. There's just a lot of flavor.
Yeah. More flavor. It actually surprises me. It's more flavor than I thought.
Right.
Because it does seem kind of like a simplistic recipe, but sometimes those are the best ones.
That, whatever marinade, which I don't even know what all you put in that. I'm
it's
sure
a
they
surprise.
do.
Oh yeah, they know.
But I have no idea. It really does add to the flavor quite a bit. Like, it's better than just a burger.
Oh my gosh,
by
yes.
a long shot. You can. I mean, it definitely makes a difference.
Absolutely. And let's go ahead. Oh wait, hold on. Since we already tasted it, I'm gonna give it a 5. For a homemade burger on the grill.
Yeah.
Or maybe because we do have some other surprises coming up next month, maybe we should do this a 4 just to be conservative.
Yeah, I don't feel like I've experienced the full gamut of burgers enough to declare
That's
this
true.
a
We
5.
have some other experimentation coming up in the future.
I say we start off with a Solid 4.
Okay.
Easy 4.
Let's do. Yeah, it is an
I mean,
easy
it's
4.
better. It's better than a burger you're gonna get anywhere.
Oh my gosh,
Like,
yes,
in a
by a
restaurant
long
anyway.
shot.
Yeah.
So, in terms of cost, I'm going to give it a 4.
Yeah.
I mean, you can find ground beef on sale. This was easy. You just need some easy fixings like sliced cheese, lettuce, tomato. I mean, you know, that's easy to find. So, in terms of cost, 4. I'd say in terms of time, well, I know what I would give it inside, but what would you give it outside?
I think it was quick. I mean, the cleanup might be a little bit extra later, but overall, I'd say, I mean, it's no more than anything else.
Yeah,
So,
I
a
thought
4,
it was
easy 4 on.
Okay, 4 on the grill.
Yeah.
I was gonna give it a 4 inside because that sauce was easy.
Okay.
You just throw it all together and it's on the stove, and before you know it, it's done.
All right.
So that means we have a 4, and a 4.
Yeah. So that's an easy average. A 4.
Is it really? Okay. I mean, I don't do math, so I don't know. But anyway, if you say it's a 4, then I'll believe you. Okay, so for the 1940's All-American Grilled Burger, we give the average score of 4. I say try this. This is
Definitely.
awesome.
Definitely.
The marinade makes it worth it.
Even if you don't have a grill, do it on a
Oh, yeah,
stovetop
you
or
could-
anything else. I think it would come out just as good.
Yeah, get a grill pan.
I mean, you get a little
or
bit
a
of
skillet.
an extra char feel taste with a grill, but if
Yeah.
you know, whatever you got to cook it on, I say give it a try.
Yeah, this is awesome.
All right.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and call it a video because we have 2 more burgers here because we have 2 more guests coming and they're gonna be on their way very shortly. So we're gonna go ahead and get this ready for them. So thanks for joining us on this grilling journey. And for next week, we're actually gonna take you further outside than our front porch. We're going to travel and do something else that is typically American in the summer. We're gonna go on a picnic to a state park. So I'll show you how to prepare a really, really easy and delicious picnic basket, and we'll take it outside. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this time. We'll see you later. Bye.
If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for future videos. In the meantime, here are 2 videos you may enjoy. Thanks for watching.